How to fix Snapchat login error. Are you facing the problem that when you log into your Snapchat account, it is showing up an error? If it is so, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you exactly can fix this problem. To get started, make sure that you update the application of Snapchat. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see an update button, make sure you update the application, because updating applications removes any kinds of bugs, maybe causing these kind of issues. So make sure that you update the application of Snapchat. Try to update it and try to see if this fixes the problem. If not, then you will need to offload the application of Snapchat. To do this, tap and hold the Snapchat application and head over to App Info. Offloading application means removing the cache and the data of the application. Caches are the unwanted data which also may cause these kinds of problems. So simply tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache. You can also clear the data, but before you clear the data, make sure that you remember the email address, username and the password to your Snapchat account. Other than these solutions, make sure that you are not using a VPN, because using a VPN on Snapchat does not allow you to log in to Snapchat every time. So make sure you turn off your VPNs before you log into your Snapchat account. Also make sure that you are not temporarily blocked from Snapchat. If you are, you will not be able to log into your Snapchat account.